This practice will help you to feel grounded and to release any stress. This practice is perfect. It's a quick practice that you can enjoy at the beginning of your day so that you'll feel grounded and ready to take on whatever the day has in store for you. It's also a perfect practice to enjoy at the end of the day so that you can feel grounded, but also release and relax and let go of anything that happened during the day. So let's start with a standing position. We're going to come into mountain pose. Coming into your mountain pose, allow your feet to feel as though they're rooted down into the ground. And notice that your legs feel strong and sturdy, but yet relaxed. Notice that your tailbone is slightly tucked under. And inhale the shoulders up to the ears, and then gently release them back down behind you, allowing the heart to open. Putting your hands in position for whatever feels comfortable for you. Maybe the hands are facing, the palms are facing the thighs. Maybe the hands are open, facing out. Whatever is comfortable for you. Closing your eyes, allowing yourself to feel stable and strong and grounded in this posture. The affirmation for this posture, if you wish to use mine, is I feel grounded and relaxed. I feel grounded and relaxed. Go deep within. Repeat the affirmation silently to yourself or out loud, whatever resonates with you. I feel grounded and relaxed. I feel grounded and relaxed. On the next inhale, inhale the hands down, around, and up with a slight bend of the knees, maybe a slight back bend, and gently folding forward, allowing yourself to fold from the hips. Allow the head, the neck, and the shoulders to release. Allow the tension in the neck or the shoulders to just roll off and melt into the ground. The affirmation, if you wish to use mine, is I feel happy and healthy. I feel happy and healthy. Very gently, tuck your chin into your chest, bend the knees, and start to come down, moving your body into a squatting position. In your squat, if you need support under your heels, honor your body, bringing the hands in prayer pose and pressing with your elbows against the inside of the knees, noticing that the head, the neck, and the shoulders are in a straight line. The affirmation in this posture is, I trust in the good in the world. I trust in the good in the world. Gently, to release the pose, bring yourself into rock pose, also known as hero pose, and just pausing here for a moment with a straight back. Deep inhale. Exhale, sigh it out if you need to. In yogi's choice, we're going to move into child's pose. If you wish for the knees to be close together or the knees to be far apart, coming down into your child's pose and allowing yourself to move with intention. Moving very gently, very slowly, with love, with kindness to your body, mind, and spirit. Maybe your forehead will touch the ground. Maybe you wish to stay more in an upright position. Maybe your elbows will rest on the ground. Just honor your body. And as you move into the pose, the affirmation for this pose is, I am grateful for everything I have. I am grateful for everything I have. Inhale, gently tuck the chin into the chest, walking the hands back, coming to an upright spine. And once the head is in alignment with the neck, the shoulders, and the spine, bring the knees together, pausing here a moment, palms facing up, closing your eyes, And just noticing how you feel now compared to a few moments ago before we move into our next posture. And when you're ready, coming over onto your sit bones, taking your legs and extending them out as wide as is comfortable for you into your dragonfly. With the inhale of an upright back, straight spine, neck. Yogi's choice, you can lift your hands high up to the heavens, or you can walk your hands from an upright position. With the inhale, and then the exhale, gently come forward to the point of your resistance, where you feel as though you would like the neck and the shoulders and the head to relax and hang over. And then take another deep inhale. And then gently exhale, coming forward. Allowing the head, the neck, and the shoulders to relax. And the affirmation here is, I am worthy of all that I desire. I am worthy of all that I desire. Release and let go. Go deep into your affirmation. Enjoy dropping into fulfilling what it is in your heart that you desire. On the next inhale, tuck your chin to your chest, gently bringing the head, the neck, and the shoulders in alignment with the spine, coming to an upright position, taking the legs, bending the knees, and gently bringing the legs together. Yogi's choice, maybe extend the legs out in front of you and shake them out. Maybe do some windshield wipers, whatever resonates with your body that will bring you that gentle release so you can continue to feel grounded and relaxed. And when you're ready, rolling down onto your back, we'll come into one more pose before we go into Shavasana. Rolling down with bent knees. allowing your spine, especially your root chakra and your lower back, to root into the ground. And when you're ready, inhaling, lifting the hips high up to the heavens. Yogi's choice. Maybe you wish to just hold your hips up. Maybe you have a block and you wish to put a block underneath your tailbone. Maybe you wish to hold your hands and clasp them underneath, whatever feels right for you. And the affirmation here is, everything is working out for my highest good. Everything is working out for my highest good. Relax into it. On the next inhale, gently release, bringing the tailbone down to the ground. And when you're ready, gently bring the knees into the chest, hugging the knees in. Maybe a little massage on the lower back, making this feel really yummy. Before you transition into Shavasana, I would like to thank you, before you move into Shavasana, for taking this time to practice with me today. And I invite you to join my live classes. The link is in the description. And please also check out the other links in the description. They will give you the updates on all the events I have happening and how to connect with me. And when you're ready, release down into Shavasana. I invite you, if it's the end of the day, to stay here and stay in Shavasana. And for those of you that it's the beginning of the day, I invite you to stay here for as long as your body, mind, spirit feels comfortable, and to come out of it when you're ready. So this is where I leave you for Yogi's choice, and I send you on your way with blessings of abundance.